Welcome to another Form Tyson video, and in this video we'll talk about how to identify custom action in push category. So they are identified with the baby pink color here, just like this, and there are two ways to identify them. First is in the button. Okay, your clue number one is that the button must be set as a Salesforce action. That's your clue number one. And then the second one is in the push itself, which is going to be highlighted as custom action. How do you create one? Well, let me show you. Let's say if we wanted to create a contact. So we'll get full name, we'll get email, and then finally we'll add a button. Okay, and then it's set as Salesforce action. Now if I go to form and then click on push, add an object, I'll choose contact and I'll say push into contact. And now remember, in order to set this as a custom action, you need to select use in custom button / action. Okay, this is what sets this to pink. Alright, and then you just simply map the fields. Last name, first name, and then email. You can see, because I've set this to custom action, this has now become pink. But check this out, as soon as I uncheck this, it now becomes green. Right, so you know, in order to set this as a custom action, this must be checked. And when it's checked, it will always be pink like this. So click finish. And then you click on your submit, go to set, and you assign the action here. Alright, which is the create, push into contact. Click apply, save, preview, and let me show you how it works. We'll set up Form Titan blogs. Now if I click submit, this data has been pushed to Salesforce. We go back here. You can see there's my account that's just been created. And there it is. And this is how it's done. So ensure that when you set up your Salesforce action, you set this as Salesforce action, then assign your action in here or in any random condition. And then 2, that if this is pink, which means this must always be checked for it to be a custom action. Okay, and this becomes really handy if you want to identify which is which. So for example, let's say I've got multiple actions here, and some of them are not even Salesforce actions. Some of them are just on submit. So how do you identify them? It's using the pink and the green marker in your push. And this is how it's done.